Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing a room tour showcasing my Lego collection slash room, I guess. I did one exactly a year ago today, so if I can try and do this and every year, then that would be pretty cool. But yeah, let's get right into it. This room tour where we started it last year, I still have the Boba Fett, but since then I've painted my wall and cannot find something where I can paint around it which matches the same white as my wall, which is unfortunate. I also forgot to paint up there, so that is still grey. Starting off with the clone display case, which is nearly full actually. I take some things out of there to make videos every now and then. We have the filling the display case with decals. It can fit about 120 figures, I think I figured out, and I have a lot more decaling to do, so stay tuned for that. Here we have some just random storage for stuff, a fridge, and some more random Lego storage things. We have the Endor Speeder Bike Chase and Mos Eisley Cantina. Moving on to the gaming setup part of the room. Down here we have the machine next to my face, which is scary every time I look at it. Also we have some boxes for Lego and a tube of Pringles. We also have an X-Wing and more boxes full of stuff. Moving up here now, we have Razer mouse mat, keyboard, headset, microphone and camera, which is a lot of Razer, but Razer's good. We have the custom wallpaper on all 3 monitors which I made. Also got a printout of it there, which I'm quite happy with it. I have some lights running behind it, so I'll show you what that looks like in the dark. We have the we have the Star Wars poster up there, Darth Vader poster which my nana got me, and some posters from the Star Wars magazines. Right here we have all 9 of the good Star Wars films and stuff. We have The Phantom Menace, Attack of the Clones, The Clone Wars, Revenge of the Sith, Solo, Rogue One, and New Hope, Empire Strikes Back, and Return of the Jedi. I'm actually planning on remaking all of these because obviously I can make the Clone Wars live action now with Ahsoka releasing. And I think my Photoshop skills just got a lot better, so yes. I might make a video about that if you want it. If you do, comment it down below. On this shelf we have Duel of the Fates with Qui-Gon and Darth Maul, which I'm quite happy with. We have ETA 2 class Actis Light Interceptors right here. We have Obi-Wan's, Anakin's and Anakin's from Mustafar. We also have my first ever Lego Star Wars figure there, which is seen better days. We have a Mustafar mock here. We have an Emperor's Throne Room from Return of the Jedi, which I really like. A Dagobah set. Obviously another Luke Skywalker. Also, fun fact, did you know Luke Skywalker has been in every one of the diorama sets so far? Which is quite cool. We have the TIE Bomber, TIE Interceptor and a Scout Trooper helmet all there. Behind it we have some boxes and some Funko Pops up here. Moving up to the next shelf now, we have the CIS Spider Droid and Dwarf Spider Droid, as well as a Stap, a Geonosis Mark, my Gito with Commander Bakara and 2 Snowtroopers because I don't have any Galactic Marines. Also we have the Trash Compactor diorama, as well as Tantive V4, a Fang Fighter up there, and part of the Cantina side builds there. We also have a bunch of boxes, which I really like how this looks. It makes it look a lot less boring. We have the custom poster I made, which again I'm really happy with. Moving past my window now, we have a Jango Fett helmet with a Heisenberg hat, which pretty good combo. We have the Desert Skiff mock up there, which is currently a bit broken because I knocked it down by accident. We have the UCS Slave One. We have a Sullust mock, a Darth Revan. Well, this is just to display Darth Revan really. You can't really see him that well because of the lighting actually. You can see him a bit better now, but yeah, we have a Hoth mock. We also have Darth Vader's meditation chamber. We have some Imperial officers, some Jedi, and some Sith there, with obviously Darth Nihilus and Malgus there. Executor and Death Star 2, Death Star, Darth Vader, TIE Fighters, and Friends Apartment, and some more boxes, because I tried to start another box wall, but it won't happen up there. On here now we have Central Perk, Kessel Run Millennium Falcon, some clones, which everyone likes clones. We have an ATTE Felucia inspired mock. It doesn't really look that much like Felucia though. Boba Fett with some Boba Fett's. Prototype, UCS, Return of the Jedi, Book of Boba Fett, and then the better Boba Fett's right there. We have some Mandalorian figures, and Grogu's keep falling down there, which is annoying. Yeah, that's this custom IKEA unit. Basically we got a 3x3, well a 4x3 Calyx, and I already had a 1x4 Calyx, and we got these bars and connected them. I've got LED lights running all under here, all around my door as well, and a bit behind here as well. So yeah, we have a Jango Fett poster from the magazine and a mirror right there. Hello. Up here we have Saturn V, some ATRTs, a fighter tank back there. I'm struggling to see what's up there myself. ISS, I don't know if I've said that already, but and an X-Wing polybag back there. And that's basically my room. So now I'm going to show you what it's like when it's dark, so you can get a full effect of the LED lights. The lights off, you can see don't really make much of a difference, to be honest, because it is still light. I'm really happy with the effect that this has here. Obviously I've got this running around all the shelves, so yes, I obviously have some lights behind my PC monitors, which is quite cool, and under my desk as well. I have lights around my door and along here to light all of this up, which I'm really happy with how all the lighting's turned out. So yeah, let's get on to the outro. That was my room in 2023. It's changed a bit since last year, well, quite a lot actually. I think it looks way better now. I've got way more lighting, way more Photoshop, way more Lego actually. The custom IKEA unit back there, which I think we've done a good job. Credit to my dad as well. He's done a lot of the stuff in here. He's put a lot of the shelves up with me and got the IKEA stuff, so thanks Dad. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say other than next week, or like in a few days or something, whenever it decides to come here, I have ordered some AV Figures decals, well, the Commander Wolf decal, so to the guy who asked for a tutorial, I'm doing that, yeah. So yeah, stay tuned I guess for that. Other than that, I don't think there's anything to say other than thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.